submit an application, so for example, if we submitted a visitor visa, study permit, a work permit application, etc., and if we get a refusal letter that we believe is kind of not really representing based on the documents we've presented to the immigration officer, we always refile the application at no cost to the client, what we call a reconsideration. A reconsideration essentially is the exact same application that states to the officer that we've included all the relevant documentation in the application, the original application that we've submitted, and you've refused it on those exact grounds. An example of this would be a visitor visa application submitted. We've included bank account statements, we've included enough financial means, we've included passport data pages that demonstrate travel history, and the officer comes back and denies the application based on lack of travel history and lack of funds available. If I believe after reviewing the file that there's enough travel history as well as enough funds for the visitor visa application, we refile the application and request the officer to reconsider. A reconsideration is not an appeal. A reconsideration essentially is telling the officer that I don't think you really reviewed the documents, and those documents that you wanted, we've already included. Now, you'd be surprised how often the reconsiderations are approved by officers. So if you're submitting a visitor visa application or other especially temporary documents, and you know that you've submitted a strong application, don't be afraid to refile and ask the officer to reconsider. Obviously, because this is a new application that you're uploading and so forth, the government website does require you to pay the necessary government fees. Now, the other thing I do want to mention is that by no means does the officer have an obligation to respond to a reconsideration. They may just request that you do a brand new application. However, despite that, having filed numerous reconsideration applications for my clients, we've been very successful in getting that application approved. So if you've submitted your own application and you believe that you have submitted a strong application, give us a call today and let us see if your application has the merits for us to file a reconsideration. We look forward to hearing from you, and until next time, thank you.